Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you delete your Twitter account permanently. For that, you have to open up your Play Store and you have to click on your search bar and type tweet to GIF. After typing it, click on the application and download the application. When the application is downloaded, go to the menu and open your Twitter application. After opening your Twitter application, press on the GIF you want to download. Press on share button, which is on the bottom right of your screen. Just click on copy link, open the application tweet to GIF and paste that URL that you have copied from your Twitter account, and then press download MP4 and your GIF will be downloaded from your Twitter account to your gallery. This is how you can download your GIF from your Twitter account easily and simply. It is a very easy and a very simple process, and I hope you like it and I hope you will get help from my videos. Thank you so much for watching it. Like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and also comment below.